Welcome friends. In this video, we'll show you the silliest and cutest dogs and cats. Enjoy! This beautiful cat didn't expect to be bothered by the camera. This dog is doing a ballet with its reflection in the mirror. This cat is jealous of her friends. Love and romance for cats are something else. She's looking out for you. Friends, write her a hello. This gorgeous cat doesn't want to be kissed. What a wonderful and beautiful cat, isn't she? This cat almost ruined their Christmas. The only cat in the world for whom a bite is a language of love. Who owns such a wonderful and beautiful cat with such a gorgeous color? This cat is upset. She doesn't want to be touched. I don't know why. He's lucky to have the cutest cat in the world, isn't he? Please share this video with your friends, but please support us with a like and subscribe to the channel to receive all our new content. Thanks for watching.